Wasting your time thinking about uploading is 100 times worse than not uploading. You gain nothing, you don't progress, and it can get you down. Delete perfectionism and get to uploading. Roll the clip.
So stop sitting there and thinking for months and months on end and just get to work and start uploading.
In this video, I'm going to sell you on 5 simple ideas on why you should just upload and stop procrastination. Now, the more you procrastinate, the longer it's going to be before you hit your goals. And we know YouTube has become the #1 streaming platform above Netflix for a reason. Now, the sheer amount of choice is second to none. Now, you can easily spend more time just consuming videos than making them if you're not careful. But the question I want to ask you today is why? If you're excited about your mission or your goal on the internet or in your business, then you have no reason to procrastinate because you'll be too busy figuring something out in your day-to-day or in your business. Now, I've said this for years. As the internet has grown in popularity, you have to balance your thoughts by producing more than you consume. So if you can stick to that ratio, then you'll be totally fine. And you won't feel guilty for watching any videos because you know it's balanced with what you've put out. Number 2, procrastination is the thief of success. Think about it. Some dark forces that lead you to not doing the thing that you're supposed to be doing is a win for them, not you. As the great Jim Rohn said, you need enough reasons to want to become successful. Or as Jordan Belfort said,
listen to me and you listen well. Are you behind on your credit card bills? Good, pick up the phone and start dialing.
Procrastination will steal your reasons for doing better. And for some, it's a bigger battle than most. Personally, I have enough reasons to go hard every single day, no matter how I feel. Feelings are fleeting, circumstances are given. That's my phrase. I keep that in the top of mind even when I don't want to do something. I don't let my feelings get the better of me, and that's exactly what procrastination can do to you. Number 3, when you upload, you get positive and rewarding dopamine of the good kind. That feeling every time I upload is a feeling of being closer to my desired outcome over time. And it's a lot better than doom scrolling or not doing a thing because I did the thing, which is good. And it felt good, which is great. Now, getting dopamine of watching a bunch of non-related videos or funny videos even when you know you should be doing some work is the wrong kind of dopamine. And it hits different and it's a slippery slope. So in my mind, you have to learn to say no and discipline yourself. It's like those rat and cheese experiments. You got to program your mind in this day and age, otherwise you're going to be cooked. Now, there are many distractions to keep you from achieving your dreams, so you must fight them off with strength and determination. Number 4, each upload is an investment in your creator or business future. Now, I've written a white paper on this which goes in depth, but to summarize what I say is, depending on the creator, you actually have the ability to upload at your will. YouTube, yes, they have video length caps, 12 hours per video. Fair enough. But you can keep uploading videos. So each video added to your channel should be like a snippet of your overall video catalog, so that when someone eventually finds your channel pop up on their feed, then they can go through your body of works and make a true assessment if you're providing some sort of value to them. Now, if you do that, they're even more likely to subscribe and watch again the next time you upload. And that's when they're going to see it on their home feed. So I've said this before and I'll continue to say it to stay in the forefront of the viewer's mind today. Competition is fierce and viewers have plenty of options. So you have to be able to make the point and make great videos. 5, do you want to look back at yourself and your channel or business in 5 years and say, damn, in the gold rush era of the career economy, I wasted so much time, just binging videos when I could have been building my business? Definitely not. That would be terrible. So you'd want to be in the best position for yourself and for your family. So in order to do that, you must put in the work now. So your future version of you will definitely thank you tremendously, because not enough people possess the ability to think about the future enough, myself included, right? I intentionally work on that area of my life, but it is difficult. Putting off things today so you can win tomorrow is never easy. But listen, it's incredibly beneficial. And don't get me wrong, many want everything now, right? They don't want to wait. They don't implement delayed gratification. Some have just generally given up and are not even competing in the game. So you want to stay away from those kind of people. But overall, you owe it to yourself to go as hard as you possibly can. Winners' medals are not given to procrastinators, they just aren't. Procrastination is such a negative word, in my opinion, that you should want to be as far away from it in as many ways as possible. And if you struggle with motivation, then watch this video next, where I show you that there's more to it than that.